So we got Izzy here, and you already know it's your boy Markeith with DonnyFL and Saber Tactical. And what are we doing today, Izzy?
Hey guys, today we're getting you guys a decibel reading without the leshiy kit goes over and with. So this is a short one for the 250 millimeter barrel. Sorry guys, um, which is the one we got here. Down here we also have the longer one. This one's for the 350 millimeter. So you're gonna hear the difference between the two. Um, we don't have a 350 millimeter barrel, but it does work with it. We'll get you a sound difference between it just so people get an idea of what it's actually happening. At the moment, I am trying to get you guys the velocities because I know a lot of people are going to be asking what velocities this thing is shooting. So at the moment, we're just trying to figure that out and see where we're at. So get this on here. I'm take a couple of shots. It is going to be loud. 810 feet per second out of that. All right, so I would say that's not bad. It is a 25 caliber, guys. For you guys that are wondering what caliber it is. So what I'm going to do here, so I'm just going to set this here, get a quick reading on what's my loudest that it is. So see what that is, and I am going to step back about 3 feet away, so we're not getting that full sound of the action there. So let me turn this on. 103 decibels. That's just bare barrel, nothing on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one on. And like I said, guys, this one is for the 350 millimeter barrel. It'll still work with a 250. So if you guys got the shorter barrel and you just like the longer look, you can always go this route as well. So let me get this reset. There we go. All right. Let me take another shot. Yeah. 86 decibels. So let me take another shot. Let me just get this reset again. Max. There we go. $85 decibels, guys.
That is crazy. That's a big difference.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out. I'm gonna put the shorter tube on there. And then like that will get you guys readings on both lengths.
So right now, this running the what is that?
We have the Ronin.
The Ronin.
25-30 caliber on that. Like I said earlier, it is a 25. So yeah. Swap this out. And I'm sure one of you guys is gonna ask, well, what does it sound like without the suppressor on it? We'll do one shot for you guys. We got 3 shots left in there. Alright, let me reset this. Yeah, still pretty loud. But with a suppressor, that's when it shines.
See, so both of them are really doing like a major dent in the decibels.
Yeah. So if you got the shorter, longer barrel, it'll do a really good job. Um, some of you are probably gonna ask, how does this work? So pretty much what this is, it's an expansion chamber. So what's happening every time we shoot, all the air pressure that's coming from the barrel is filling up in this chamber here, and it's let's say X amount of pressure. I'm gonna say just as a just to explain it to you guys. Let's say 1,000 psi of air come out through the barrel, and it escapes. That 1,000 psi will drop down to, again, just estimate numbers. I'm gonna say 600 psi, and then that air vents into the suppressor, venting out at a lower pressure, reducing the suppression even further. So that's how these work. It's the same thing as the our extender that we have for our Ronin and Emperors as well. Same thing. There's nothing in them. They're just hollow tubes that allow the air to expand. And then once air expands, it goes out the suppressor, creating a lower report on them. But yeah, as you guys can see, short or long with the Ronin, it does a really good job. I think the highest we saw was 86 decibels. So still super quiet. Most of the sound that you guys will hear, being the shooter, is going to be the action back here because of the semi-automatic magazine back here. So yeah, I believe I got one more shot in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that shot. See if I can hit this target here. Too low, but that's it. So that was 8 rounds right there. I shot one off video, so you guys only saw 7. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys learned something on this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let us know. We'll try to answer these questions as soon as possible.
Also, I want to let you guys know I've been seeing a little bit of analytics from the website because, you know, I handle, you know, a lot of the background stuff when it comes down to the website and stuff like that. There's been people trying to look for the leshiy 2 kit and they've been having trouble. All you have to do is go under shopping, go under accessories, and it'll be in the first row. And you'll see it under leshiy 2 Shroud kit. That's how you find it.
What you guys can do is just type leshiy up on a search bar. It'll come up.
Exactly. All right.
That's it, guys. Have a good one.